Good day, my wonderful viewers. I want to welcome us all to today's class. It's time again to play with math. So quickly, I want us to play with the question on the board. It seems as if it doesn't have a solution, but I always tell us that there is no problem without a solution. Kindly go with me as we solve this together. 3 raised to the power of m can be written as 3 raised to the power m times 1 minus 2 raised to the power of m times 1 is equals to 65. Okay? From here now, anything can give me 1. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So I can change this to 3 raised to the power of m raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus 2 raised to the power of m raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 is equals to 65. Okay? From here now, I can write this like this. 3 raised to the power of m divided by 2 because this is over 1, this is over 1. 2 times 1, 2. Then there's another 2 here. You say raised to the power of 2. Okay? Minus 2 raised to the power of m over 2, also raised to the power of 2 is equals to 65. Okay, from here now, we can say that if we look at what we have on the board, we can apply our difference of two square logic from factorization. That says that a square minus b square will give us a minus b, a plus b. Hope we still remember this. That's good. Now from here now, we can assume that our a is what? 3 raised to the power of m over 2, and then b equals 2 raised to the power of m over 2. So from here now, let's expand it. We have said a square minus b square is equals to this. We can say a minus b times a plus b. Don't forget, we have said our a is this. So this is a square now, minus we are having b square is equals to, we have 65. So from here, think of factors of 65. Two variables you will multiply together to give you 65. A minus b times a plus b is equals to 5 times 13, because 5 times 13 will give us 65. Now from here now, a minus b times a plus b is equals to 5 times, so which means a minus b is equals to 5 and a plus b is equals to 13. So we have two different equations with two different unknown. Automatically we are going to use our what? Our simultaneous equation. So from this now, this will give us 2a is equals to 18. So if you divide both sides by 2, our a is equals to 9. That's not where we are going. Substitute this a into any of this equation. I want to substitute into equation 1. So which means wherever I see a in equation 1, I will put 9. 9 minus b is equals to 5, which means my b is equals to 9 minus 5, which is equals to 4. Don't forget, in the equation, we are not given a and b. We are the one that introduced it. So we are going to reverse, return our a and b into the main equation to get the m we are asked to find. So from this equation, we have been told that a is equals to 3 raised to power m over 2. So our a is what? 9 equals 3 raised to power m over 2. Don't forget, 9 in base 3 will give us 3 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 3 raised to the power of m over 2. Okay, let's come here. Our a, they have the same base. Cancel it out. So we are left with what? 2 over 1 is equals to, here we are left with m over 2. So if you cross multiply, our m is equals to 2 times 2, 4. Thanks for watching. If this interests you, kindly follow us, share all the solutions we've been doing for you, comment on all these solutions. If you have any question, you can send it to the comment section and endeavor to like us. Thank you. God bless you.